2K like right here.
No. I think I'll do FL2K like right here.
I thought I get to decide what it is and where it goes.
You get to pick what it is. I get to pick where it is. No.
FL2K.
Locked in, bro.
No. Yeah. Shut my phone. No.
Wait, Josh has to give the okay too because he's getting the same tattoo I'm getting.
I'm down with FL2K. I'm down with FL2K. I'm good with it.
Yeah, we'll
All you need to worry about is what's pulling in winter circle.
That's
right
it.
now,
And now this is the last time we're doing
I'm gonna get a Leroy tattoo.
I don't actually get this money. It just stays in the track bank account.
Woo!
15 racks, baby.
Oh shit, never mind. I'm taking it.
Winner of stick shift, and you beat up on Chad Fegley, who beat you at Rocky Mountain Race Week. How was it?
I was worried, man. Chad had a lot of magic going this week. He's been first run of the sixes. He's took out Grubworm, Grannis. I'm like, holy cow, he's got momentum, but Leroy got it done. We ran the most sixes in the class for sure, so we were just consistent, got her done.
Give it up for Cleetus, y'all.
Big win. Hey, you get everybody get it? You get a bottle?
George, you gotta get in here too. Yeah. Someone get our picture with a phone. Oh, right, go there.
Adam's taking them for us too. We'll get it. Back up a little bit. Oh, actually, no.
Everybody back up, please. Everybody back up a little bit. Thank you. All right, guys, everybody look over here. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Hold on, let's do one more. Let's go to the back side of the car.
Yeah.
Back side of the car. Sorry. We're going to be the most experts.
Stick shift winner, Cleetus McFarland.
All right, guys. And 3, 2, 1.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.